We've recently commissioned this KAR250. It's a 25-tonne knuckle lift, Italian made. The advantage of these hoists is there's no posts in the corners. You can go with two options, one being above ground, one being below ground. This client has optioned for the above ground unit, so there was no civil work required. These knuckle lifts come in a range of options, so we start off at 25 tonne and they go right through to 54 tonne. So as you can see behind me here, we have the AC jack and beam. These are a product made in Denmark. They run on the rails of the knuckle lift. This particular unit is a 12-tonne unit. These range from 12 up to 20 tonne. You do have the option of running multiple units depending on your needs. In comparison to conventional units, the knuckle lift is fitted with a dual safety. On all four corners of this unit, each corner has a ratchet lock system combined with a burst valve, which ensures that the hoist can never fall. This unit uses a Photocell levelling system to ensure the platforms go up evenly. They have a working tolerance of 50mm to ensure that your truck goes up nice and level. Another advantage of the KAR250 knuckle lift is a simple ease of operation. There's a one button operation to go up and then a one button operation to release. Combined with the release of this unit at 500mm off the ground, it becomes a two button operation, which we call the dead man switch. This ensures that the operator has full focus on the use of the machine while lowering it to the ground.